was a dream. Tomorrow is a vision, but a day well lived makes every yesterday a dream of happiness and every tomorrow a vision of hope. Carrying the same vision, VPMS successfully completes 13 glorious years of its existence today. A hearty good morning to one and all. I am Pranit Sode of Grade 8. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this special assembly on the 13th Foundation Day of our school. Foundation Day is an exciting day for our school and provides students and staff alike an opportunity to reflect on the growth of the school over the last 13 years and look forward to all that is in store for us in the years to come. Let's start this auspicious day by invoking the blessings of the Almighty. Suhan Saxena will now lead us in prayer.
May the Almighty bless us in all we do and say. May our school family progress by leaps and bounds today on this Foundation Day and every other day. Fill us today with an understanding mind. Teach us to be thoughtful and kind. Help us to do as we should, to be disciplined, obedient and good. Remind us all to forgive each other, to care for our classmates like brother and sister. In our work and in our play, be with us God throughout each day.
Thank you, Suhan. A day well begun gives it a new energy. Let us give the same kind of beginning to our day as well. As we will now have Dakshish Sharma who will present the thought for the day.
The thought for the day is optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence by Helen Keller. Positive thinking can lead to constructive change in our life, especially during these trying times. Take steps with hope and confidence and make life meaningful. Thank you.
Moving ahead, we will now have Avni Survesh who will acquaint us with the significance of this day.
Foundation Day is special as the entire VPMS family has a chance to reflect not only on the beginning but also on the significant development since the school's inception. Dr. V.K. Patil Foundation Pune was established in 1980 in memory of Padma Shri Dr. Vittal Rao V.K. Patil, who is a legendary figure in the history of cooperative enterprise, pioneered the cooperative movement as a tool for the social, educational and economic upliftment of the rural masses. Ever since the foundation has worked relentlessly towards transforming the process of education from teaching to learning with the belief that children learn more outside than within the confines of the classroom. From a humble beginning in a basement with 5 students on roll, the school program has come a long way in enriching children's lives and standing tall in the school education community of the school education sector in Pune, thus accentuating our motto, making life meaningful. The mission of our school is to provide quality and comprehensive educational opportunities for all students in a safe and caring environment, to enable students to achieve individual excellence, become productive citizens and be successful in their future endeavors, instilling within them the core values of respect, empathy, gender sensitivity and democracy. This occasion gives us the opportunity to take stock of our achievements and rededicate ourselves to face the new challenges that lie ahead. It is a day set aside to celebrate our history and reconnect with the continuing journey of the foundation. We celebrate that we are blessed with such beautiful surroundings and wonderful educators. We celebrate the joy of learning as we develop in mind, body and spirit. We celebrate the bond that we share with past and present members, striving for a prosperous future.
Thank you, Avni, for the brilliant speech. Gail Divers rightly said, keep your dreams alive. Understand that to achieve anything require faith and belief in yourself, vision, hard work, determination and dedication. Remember, all things are possible for those who believe. To give us yet another treat, let us sit back for a group song performance put up by students of class 8 which aptly describes these sentiments.
Every year we get together, the memories that last forever. This is gonna be a special year. We waited for a chance like this, a chance to shine. Could we resist? We pour our hearts and soul. Our time is here. Let's lay the foundation of love with the power and glory from up above. Let's join hand in hand as we pray for a beautiful and fun foundation day.
Wow, that was an amazing performance. Indeed, it was so serene. Dancers don't need wings to fly, do they? So aptly stated. Dance is an integral part of Indian society. The dance can reveal everything mysterious that is hidden in music, and it has the additional merit of being human and palpable. Dancing is poetry with arms and legs. Now let's all sit back to enjoy a captivating dance presented by the students of grade 8.
Tom tanana dhirena dhirena, tom tanana dhirena dhirena, tom tanana dhirena dhirena, tom tanana dhirena dhirena. Udana dhim tadana dhim tana dhirena, udana dhim tadana dhim tana dhirena, dhim tano 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 tadhirena, dhim tano 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 tadhirena. Tom tanana dhirena dhirena, tom tanana dhirena. Dhirena, dhirena, udana dim ta dhirena, udana dim ta dhirena, dhirena, udana dim ta dhirena, dhirena, dim ta dhirena, dhirena, dim ta dhirena, dhirena, dim ta dhirena, dhirena, dim ta dhirena.
Really fantastic and mind-blowing performance. The school has in the same way provided each one of us an opportunity to help us believe in ourselves and touch the sky with glory. Foundation Day is an important milestone each year where we celebrate our gratitude for the wisdom, courage and commitment demonstrated by those who contributed to the establishment and the growth of the school. It fills us with a sense of history. It occupies a special place in everyone's heart. Until and unless you spread your wings, you will have no idea
how far you can fly. So always try what you can. You never know how and where you may end up being. Now we have Amey Joshi to present the vote of thanks.
As we conclude today's assembly with a deep reflection of our past and humble beginning, let us be ever grateful for our present and promise to live up to these strong beliefs in the future. On behalf of our principal, staff, and students, I take the opportunity to thank the members of our management for their steadfast belief in us and for their guidance in leading us along the path of eternal growth and development throughout these years. A special thanks to our beloved principal for being the pillar of our strength. A bouquet of gratitude to all the coordinators for all their support. I thank all the teachers for their tireless endeavor in coordinating, training, and synchronizing our parts to make this assembly a great success. I express my gratitude towards the music and dance department for helping us at every step, and IT department who never fails to extend a helping hand. And last but not the least, I thank the students of class 8A and B for their hard work and dedication to put forth their best. We conclude our assembly with the national anthem. I request everyone to stand at attention.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे